Know all about vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Vitamin B3, niacin. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel Vital Signs. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: vitamin B3, also known as niacin. You may have heard of it, but do you really know what it does for your body? Let's dive right in. Vitamin B3, or niacin, is one of the essential B-complex vitamins that play a crucial role in our overall health. It comes in two forms: nicotinic acid and niacinamide. Niacin is water-soluble, meaning our bodies don't store it, so we need a steady supply through our diet. But what exactly does it do? Well, vitamin B3 has a wide range of benefits that contribute to our well-being. First and foremost, it helps our bodies convert food into energy. This means it plays a vital role in supporting our metabolism. Additionally, vitamin B3 helps maintain healthy skin, hair, and eyes, making it an essential nutrient for our appearance. But that's not all. Niacin is also involved in maintaining a healthy nervous system, and aids in the proper functioning of our digestive system. It supports the production of various hormones, and contributes to DNA repair, which is crucial for our cells' health and longevity. Now that we know how important vitamin B3 is, let's talk about what happens when we don't get enough of it. A deficiency in vitamin B3 can lead to a condition called pellagra. This might not be as common in developed countries due to fortified foods, but it's still essential to be aware of the symptoms. Symptoms of pellagra include skin rashes, especially in areas exposed to the sun, and a condition known as the 4Ds: dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia, and death if left untreated. It's crucial to catch and treat a deficiency early to avoid severe complications. To make sure we get enough vitamin B3 in our diet, we should focus on consuming foods that are rich in this essential nutrient. Some excellent sources of niacin include poultry, such as chicken and turkey, as well as fish like tuna and salmon. For our vegetarian and vegan friends, don't worry. There are plant-based sources too. You can find vitamin B3 in whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Avocado and mushrooms are also great sources to consider. To sum it all up, vitamin B3, or niacin, is a vital nutrient that supports our energy levels, skin health, and overall well-being. It's essential to ensure we include niacin-rich foods in our diet to prevent any potential deficiencies. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the wonders of vitamin B3. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.